A very good morning to all the students. Today we are going to start revising the chapter 3 National Income and Related Aggregates. This is your chapter 3 National Income Related Aggregates. For those who have missed the class due to any reason, please go through this video. It will help you to understand this chapter. So basically here we are going to talk about national income. Different ways to express. There are different aggregates. Aggregate comes in macroeconomics. Aggregate क्या होता है बेटा? Sum total को बोलते हैं aggregate. So we will discuss many different aggregates which are used for national income. GDPMP, GDPFC, NDPMP, NDPFC, GNPMP, GNPFC, NNPMP, NNPFC. Okay, these are different aggregates. And NDPFC, remember, it is known as domestic income, and NNPMP is known as national income. Correct? So basically national income क्या होती है? National income is the sum total of income which is earned by all the residents of the country during a financial year. So it is a total of per capita income. So, and what about domestic income? Here only within the country what we have earned, and in national income we add net factor income from abroad. It is also included here. Correct? So let's go into the details. Let's go into the chapter. So what is gross domestic product at market price? I have already mentioned this thing to you. Previous class, in 10th class, you have got through this concept of GDPMP. It is the market value of all the final goods. Just wait a minute. Let's connect again. Okay. So it is the market value of all the final goods and services which are produced within the domestic territory of a country during a particular year. Whatever goods and services are there, either produced in primary sector, secondary sector, or tertiary sector, their market value needs to be counted. And we take only final goods. We already know the difference of final and intermediate in the previous chapter. Intermediate goods which are used up in the production process. Final goods which really come out in the market for the customers to purchase. So let's understand this somehow, the different way, this thing. Okay, here G is stand for gross. It means that depreciation is included. We include depreciation here. Okay, G stands for depreciation. We include depreciation here. Then let's understand it more clearly. What is domestic here? Domestic means, D for domestic, it means within the domestic territory. Whatever is inside the domestic territory, we include that. So D stands for domestic territory. All right. Next, what MP stands for? Product means goods and services, GDP. And what is MP? MP stands for net indirect taxes are included. Okay, these taxes are included, net indirect taxes. What do you understand by net indirect taxes? It is indirect taxes minus subsidies. If I talk about indirect taxes, what are these indirect taxes actually? This is that amount which is levied on the goods which are being sold in the market, the taxes on those goods. No indirect taxes. And subsidies, this is what is given by the government to certain firms. Subsidy दी जाती है ना, so that government don't tax them. So that's subsidies. So if you take the difference, you get net indirect tax. MP stands for net indirect taxes. Clear? Shall we move forward? Okay. So moving on to the other components that we taken as aggregate, let's see about GDP FC. What do you understand by FC? When from GDP MP we deduct the component of net indirect tax, MP become FC. GDP FC. Okay. Next is net domestic product at market price, NDP-MP. If we have GDP-MP given, we already know what is GDP-MP. If we want NDP-MP, how can we get it? How can we get net from gross? This is the only difference. By deducting depreciation. Gross means depreciation. How can we get NDP-FC from GDP-MP? FC कैसे आएगा? अगर आप NIT माइनस कर दें, MP becomes FC. ग्रॉस से नेट कैसे आएगा? इफ़ यू रिड्यूस डेप्रिसिएशन. क्लियर अंडरस्टैंडिंग? ओके. सो मूविंग ऑन, GNP-MP अगेन टेक GDP-MP. अब आपने क्या किया? आपने कन्वर्ट किया GDP-MP को NDP-FC में. कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे? मार्केट प्राइस को फैक्टर कॉस्ट बनाने के लिए नेट इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स माइनस कर दिया, और ग्रॉस को नेट बनाने के लिए आपने डेप्रिसिएशन किया. और यहाँ पे आप क्या कर रहे हैं? यहाँ पे अलग ही है. यहाँ पे GDP-MP को क्या करना है? GNP-MP करना है. डोमेस्टिक को नेशनल बनाना है, तो आप उसमें NFI ऐड करेंगे, नेट फैक्टर इनकम फ्रॉम एब्रॉड. ओके. ये क्या होती है? व्हाट इज़ नेट फैक्टर इनकम फ्रॉम एब्रॉड? जो भी अर्निंग्स हैं, जो भी फैक्टर इनकम, अर्न इनकम लोग बाहर से अर्न कर रहे हैं, दूसरी कंट्री से कमा रहे हैं, दैट इज़ NFI है. अभी आता है आपका GNP-FC. अब GNP-FC बनाना है अगर आपको, यहाँ पे आपको क्या गिवन है? GNP-MP गिवन है अगर, तो कैसे करेंगे? MP को FC कैसे बनाएंगे? आई नो यू नो, NIT माइनस कर देंगे. अगर आपको GNP-MP को NNP-MP बनाना है तो आप क्या करेंगे? यहाँ पे ग्रॉस को नेट बनाने के लिए डेप्रिसिएशन माइनस करेंगे. ऑलवेज सी आप किसको किस में कन्वर्ट करें. जो चेंज करते हैं वो राइट हैंड साइड पे होता है, जिसमें चेंज करते हैं वो लेफ़्ट हैंड साइड पे होता है. अब आपको GNP-MP गिवन है, आपको उसे NNP-FC बनाना है. NNP-FC क्या होता है? नेशनल इनकम होता है, एज वी हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू. अब GNP-MP में अगर आपको ग्रॉस को नेट बनाना है, आप डेप्रिसिएशन माइनस करिए. आपको MP को FC बनाना है, आप NIT माइनस करिए. ओके. So I will now discuss with you all how to get national income from GDP-MP. Okay, this was the main idea, GDP-MP, and we were deriving so many new aggregates from using GDP-MP. Let's now derive national income by using GDP-MP. So national income, as we all know, is NNP-FC, correct? Then what is given to us is GDP-MP, correct? Now if I want to convert gross into net, what I will do? I will deduct depreciation. Okay. If I need net national I need from domestic, I will add NFIA. If I want to convert MP into FC, I need to deduct net indirect taxes, known as NIT also. Okay, this net indirect taxes, you can use a short form NIT. So how will I get this NNP-FC? By reducing depreciation, adding NFIA and deducting NIT, I will get national income. All right. So this is a very easy way to do it. I hope you understood. Now let's see a flow chart in your books. Okay, let's see a flow chart in your book in page number 3.4. So what I did here, I got this GDP-MP, I reduced depreciation, I got from gross to net, and then From this NDP-MP, what did I added? I added NFIA to get national from domestic. I reduced NIT, net indirect taxes, to get FC from MP. I have already used this particular way to do it, okay? Now next is, if I want to convert NNPFC into GDP-MP, for example, I need to do GDP-MP, and what is given to me is NNPFC. How will I do that? So net is to be converted to gross. I will add depreciation. Okay? I will add depreciation, correct? Now I need domestic from national. What I will do? I will reduce NFIA. Okay. So I got domestic. If I want again from factor cost to market price, what I will do? I will add NIT. So my steps are completely opposite of the previous one, isn't it? Earlier I was deducting depreciation, adding NFIA, deducting NIT, net indirect taxes. Now I am doing the opposite to obtain GDP-MP. I am adding depreciation, reducing NFIA, and I am adding NIT, net indirect taxes. Correct. I hope it makes the things clear, vividly clear to everyone. Correct. So just look into the flow chart, follow the steps. Look at the difference between GDP-MP, NNPFC, national income, and this is gross domestic product at MP. So, market value of goods and services. Here it includes the national income is the total of per capita income. Within the country, it also consider NFIA. Okay, from outside the country also. It is market price, it is factor cost. This is the difference. It is including depreciation, it is excluding depreciation. Now, understanding domestic concept, you will always have D in the middle. These are domestic concept. GDP-MP, GDP-FC, NDP-MP, NDP-FC. All through the concepts you have domestic. Here, national concept, you will have N in the middle, national. Gross national product MP, gross national product FC, net national product MP, net national product FC. So, 4 domestic concepts and 4 national concepts. So, this is the completion of our chapter. I will just explain you few numericals so that you will be able to solve them. Moving on to the first example, GNP-MP is given to us, depreciation is given, net factor income from abroad is given, and net indirect tax is given. Okay? What you will do, you will use this on the right. This is given. You will use this on the left. This is, you need to calculate left, right is equal to. Now convert this into this. How you will convert GNP-MP into NDP-FC? Same formulas we used. Gross to net minus depreciation. National to domestic. What you will do? नेशनल को डोमेस्टिक करने के लिए आप NFIA माइनस करेंगे, मार्केट प्राइस को फैक्टर कॉस्ट बनाने के लिए NIT माइनस करेंगे. तो आपके पास डेप्रिसिएशन गिवन है, आपके पास NFIA गिवन है, आपके पास नेट इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस गिवन है. ये सारी वैल्यूज़ को पुट कर लीजिए, माइनस कर लीजिए, आपका आंसर आ गया. ओके, सिंपल. अब आपको GDP-MP कैलकुलेट करना है. आपको NNPFC गिवन है, NNPFC राइट में, GDP-MP लेफ्ट में. नेट को ग्रॉस बनाने के लिए ऐड डेप्रिसिएशन करेंगे, नेशनल को डोमेस्टिक बनाने के लिए NFIA माइनस करेंगे, एंड आप फैक्टर कॉस्ट को मार्केट प्राइस बनाने के लिए NIT ऐड करेंगे. ठीक है, एंड देन यू पुट द वैल्यूज़. आपको NIT नहीं गिवन है। NIT का फार्मूला मैं आपको कॉपी में लिखकर अभी बताया था ना, IT माइनस सब्सिडीज़, NIT हो गया। NFIA भी गिवन नहीं है। फैक्टर इनकम फ्रॉम अब्रॉड जो होता है, इफ़ यू माइनस फ्रॉम इट द फैक्टर इनकम टू अब्रॉड, दैट इज़ 110 माइनस 50, you will get 60. 60 is the NFIA. NFIA का फार्मूला यहाँ पे रिटर्न है, फैक्टर इनकम फ्रॉम अब्रॉड माइनस फैक्टर इनकम टू अब्रॉड. ओके, just follow these steps. So in the same way you will just go through the numericals. These instructions will help you solve all the numericals. If you still face the problem, I will discuss it with you in class. Please ask questions. All right? Thank you, class.